Hi everyone. I have my Kali virtual machine running inside a VirtualBox. It is part of my cyber home lab that I have to help me practice ethical hacking in a safe and controlled environment. However, I do have my cyber lab running on a NAT network to help isolate it from my local network. And I have run into an issue where I don't have internet. I can't go to google.com. I have no internet. I need internet for some of my attacks, so we are going to try to fix the situation. So I'm going to bring up terminal. Let's make this bigger so it's easily seen. All right, first I'm going to ping Google's DNS server, which is 8.8.8.8. Okay, so data is getting transmitted, 0 packet loss, so there's internet there. Let's try pinging google.com. Temporary failure in name resolution. So I'm going to show you a fix that will fix it temporarily while that session is logged in. It will go away once you restart the virtual machine. And then I will also show you a way to make it permanent. So let's first go to the temporary version. We're going to go to the file where the DNS server is, which is resolve.conf, which is the configuration file for the DNS. And you can use whatever editor you want. I like Nano. I'll probably get a lot of hate for that, but it's easy to use and it's just easy to use. So we're going to enter the password. Okay, so you see right there that the name server is set up for the NAT network. I don't know what this is, so we'll just comment it out. And then we're just going to go over here and change the name server to 8.8.8.8. We're going to Control X. We're going to hit Y to save it. Hit Enter to write it to the file. Okay. Now if we go back to the internet, we have internet. That works. That is temporary. It will go away once you close out the machine and turn it back on. To make it permanent, what we need to do is go change another file. So we're going to go nano. And then this one is at etc network manager. Make sure I spell correctly. And then it's going to be in the configuration file for network manager, which is network manager.conf. Hit enter. So this is how you will see the file. This is what's in it. So we go down to under plugins and just we'll put DNS equals none. Control X, Y, enter, and that's it. It is now, I will turn off this machine and we will have internet. That will help you fix. Let's actually make sure. Go google.com. Yep, verify that. Let's go ping google.com again, and it's working. Okay, so that's internet. We will turn it off and it will be persistent because we changed the network manager configuration file. So I just restarted the virtual machine to see if the network manager configuration file that we altered gives us that persistence we need to make sure that every time I log in that we have internet and that I'm able to access the internet without having to change the DNS file. So let's go ahead and log in. Now, there's two ways we could do this. We're going to ping it and check the browser. So first, let's open up terminal, make it bigger to see, go to ping google.com, and you can see that we are getting traffic. We are sending traffic, nothing's getting dropped. So that's great. So we can also open up the browser and just do a quick check. Obviously, we have internet now. So let's go to Google. We have Google. This took me way longer to figure out than I want to admit. So if this helps one person save a little bit of time and to help get internet on their virtual machine inside of a NAT network, then hey, this video was worth it, and hopefully it helps someone.